In Chapter 5, we will be covering the family system and especially the descriptive work done by many family therapists in relation to substance use disorders. Sharon Weichscheider-Cruz, Tim Cermak, Nathan Ackerman, John Bradshaw, Virginia Satir, and Claudia Black are well known for work in our field. However, it should be noted that the work is descriptive and may pertain to the treatment aspects as opposed to the clinical or diagnostic research. This chapter lays the foundation for Chapter 6, coming up, for understanding the personal impact on the children who grow up in the alcoholic family system. And this is further explored in Chapter 7 as these children become adults or adult children of alcoholics. You will learn about family systems and key elements, communication, boundaries, roles, and rules. There are many terms associated with families and also with the roles that family members play in their families. Use of the family terms homework handout may help you to learn about the different terms. The handout is located on the modules page for the PowerPoint, but also in the Files menu on the left under Handouts for Chapter 5. The definition of a healthy family is one that is balanced, open, flexible, and predictable. Communication, boundaries, rules, and roles are well known but are flexible. The healthy family always seeks to balance itself out. When one member is struggling, the others pick up until the original balance can be restored, which is called homeostasis. The changes that are talked about and are open. As described by Virginia Satir, who first used the metaphor of a mobile. The individuals are all compensating in different yet similar ways when one of the members is an alcoholic. Therefore, the whole family needs treatment to bring the mobile back into balance. Claudia Black developed the well-known rules of alcoholic families. Don't talk, don't trust, and don't feel. She has a book titled by the same phrase. Nathan Ackerman was the first person to coin the term dysfunctional family in 1958 when referring to alcoholic family systems. There is an emotional imbalance within the family, but the term imbalance gives hope that there is a way to get help and to better manage the system. Rigid family systems are described. In each of these slides, the drug of choice and its influence are for illustration only. They are not an empirically proven fact. Ambiguous family systems are described. Overextended family systems are described. Distorted family systems with mixed messages are described. Entitled family systems are described. Satir's description of family patterns of communication are listed here. She emphasized the feeling component of communication. According to Satir, leveling is the healthy state of communication. The individual is congruent and acts in a congruent fashion. Sharon Weichscheider-Cruz developed the family system roles. Sharon worked directly with Virginia Satir. If you work with alcoholic families, they can describe which person plays which role in the family. It should be noted that the roles can change over the lifetime of the family. For example, when the oldest hero child leaves the family for college, the lost child may step up into the hero role. In addition, some of the children may take on multiple roles at once. For an example, an only child may be the hero and at other times be the family scapegoat. Harriet Lerner in 1997 described the 5 styles or roles of managing anxiety. And there is a lot of anxiety about substance abuse in the family, which often leads to these coping roles. See additional descriptions of these terms on page 148 in your textbook. Enabling behaviors on behalf of the loved ones or family members of an addict or alcoholic allow the alcoholic to skate by and not take full responsibility for their actions. In the long run, enabling contributes to the worsening of the signs and symptoms. Parents and spouses have good intentions, but they can continue to do more to allow the consequences to fall where they need to with the alcoholic or addict. See additional descriptions for the enabling approaches on page 150 in your textbook. During family recovery, the family goes through the stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. However, the family might skip or go back and forth through the stages of grieving. This is the denial stage in the family. This is the anger stage in the family system. And this is the bargaining, feeling, and acceptance stage in the family system. Eventually, there's acceptance that there is a problem and the family is on the road to recovery.